Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to remove Ask Meta I or search option in Messenger. Okay, let's start. First of all, click on Messenger apps. See, this is the problem. Okay, let's fix it. Now tap on menu icon and tap on settings. Scroll down, now tap on apps update. Now tap on turn off auto update messenger and tap on notification. Now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Scroll down, now search your messenger apps. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Clear data and cache all apps permission. Now tap on permission. Now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your messenger apps. Search bar, now search your messenger apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and restart your device. Now open your messenger, then see your problem is solved. Thank you.